We all know what 3 R's means.
But do you know what 5 R's means?
Reduce,
Reuse.
recycle, rethink your actions. There are 30 simple things we can do to save our planet.
Walk and ride a bicycle instead of using a car.
Start a carpool or use public transportation.
Buy products that use recycled materials.
Don't buy products if animals were killed to make them.
Don't buy more than you need. Use products that are made locally. Take our own bags to the supermarket.
Don't throw away what you can use again.
Use fluorescent light bulbs at home.
Turn the lights off when you are not in the room.
Try to open curtains and use natural light when possible.
Fill up your car tank with ethanol. It does not produce so much pollution, such as gas.
Use fans instead of air conditioners.
Don't take long showers. Don't let oils and chemicals go down the kitchen sink. Plant native trees.
Never leave trash in parks or forests.
Use vegetables, leftovers as fertilizer.
Leave your car running while you wait in line to pick up your kids from school.
Don't leave the refrigerator door open.
Think about what you want before you open the fridge. Defrost your refrigerator twice a year. Save paper by sending your birthday party invitation through mail.
Don't water the plants in the middle of a hot sunny day.
Water plants in the late afternoon.
Take a shower instead of a bath.
Turn off the faucet while brushing your teeth.
When you buy new tires, it's best to leave the old ones with the dealer to reuse or recycle.
Separate your trash in different containers. Paper, plastic, glass and aluminum should be stored separately.
Have your family establish the Energize Savers Day.
Turn off TVs, computers and video games and use the time to read and play other games.
Send this video to your friends.
We hope it's not